All right, so on this episode, I've got a new tool for the shed. So let's unbox it, get it installed so we can start using this bad boy and start getting into some of these Dodge parts. So that's what we're doing this episode. New tool for the shed. Love new tools.
Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bruh. I swear to God I'll get it, bruh. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never rock it. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous. Honest, can I stop this? Never cautious, drop it. I'm the hardest. Knock, knock, bitch, watch it. I'm the fucking king of rock, bitch. Poppin', spitting hot shit. I'm dropping, chronic. I think I'm motherfucking lost it.
Alright guys, so before we get into this episode, I just want to take this opportunity to sort of reach out to you guys and just ask for a bit of help, just a like, subscribe, share the videos, hit the little bell icon so you can keep up to date with it. It greatly helps me out a bit. We've been falling on tough times lately. That's why some of these episodes sort of come and go real quick. So yeah, invite your friends or show them, like the channel, subscribe to it. The subscriptions help me out a lot. And hit the little bell icon. So yeah, like, subscribe and share, and I would be greatly appreciated. Anyways, back onto this episode. I hope you enjoy it.
All right, so this is what I've bought. Just a small sandblasting cabinet. This should be able to help us clean up the smaller engine parts and stuff like the clutch and brake cylinders and stuff like that, drums and all that sort of thing. I've got the drill press there, which is very heavy. I don't want to move it, but I am going to move the press. There's a power point there, so it'll be good for the light and everything like that. I should be able to fit the air compressor underneath it, so we'll probably have to build a bench to sit this on because it doesn't have legs, which is fine, that's fine. But we can build something there, some form of structure, and then we can even hang odds and ends and tools and that on the wall there next to it to get it in. So we'll unbox this and have a good look at it and see what we're looking at. All right, so here's the bits we got for it. I'm assuming that's the light plug for the light that's inside it. Instructions, spare screens. I'll probably just get it replaced with glass once these are gone anyways. Air fitting, they're the legs for the bottom. Some spare nozzles for the gun, tape seal, and 2 plastic caps. And then the cabinet itself. So there's a fitting there, don't know what that's for. There's a hole in the back, don't know what that's for. There's a little hole down there, don't know what that's for. There's an earthing point there, probably won't use that. The door on the side here. And then, yeah, there's a hole on the bottom, which I'm guessing is where the garnet will drain out from. So what I'll do is I'll measure the bottom, I'll make a timber frame for it, and we'll screw it to the wall, put a leg in that on it, get some support into that so it'll hold it. And then we can start assembling the rest of the stuff. So I'll get cracking into moving this and building that frame. We'll get this stood up. Alright, so I've got the little frame underneath made up. I've got it sitting there. I've checked it, it seems to be a pretty good height. 2 boxes. So what I'll do now is I'll level that up and I'll put some brackets in the back, then I'll measure some feet for the front, screw them in so it can sit there. And then, yeah, start wiring and plumbing all this gear up, I guess. See where everything sits and what it does and where it goes, and yeah, we'll give it a go. I still got to buy garnet for this yet. I don't know what I'm going to use yet. But yeah, we can at least plumb this up and have a look and see what it does. So here we go. All right, got it on feet now, all nice and level. Got the light on and everything in here, and it's a good working height. Get my hand in here. See, so I'll have to replace the plastic with glass because trying to see through it's a bit horrid, but it'll do for now. But here's inside. So that's the hopper. You can see there's some rods that go down. So the bottom one is where the garnet gets picked up and brought back up to the gun. Now this is the air fitting here, or where the air fitting's meant to go. But as you can see, I've got it against the wall. So I'm going to find a rubber grommet to put in there, and I'm going to drill a hole just down in here, and I'll put the air fitting in there, and then both the hoses of the gun can run in through the corner, and then it's happy days. There's an air relief valve over there. It's just a hole, basically. I'll plug that up. If need be, I'll put a one-way valve in it or something to release the air pressure. Couldn't imagine this thing being too sealed up. So, yeah, I'll drill a hole in that, put the air fitting in, and then I'll sit the air compressor underneath there, and I'll probably tee off this airline so it can all sit and reside under there. I'll run the airline out and up and put a fitting over here or something. I'll figure something out for that. And then, yeah, I just got to buy garnet and we can give it a go. So I'll fit that now, and we'll get this all buttoned up. All right, so here we have it, all set up, done. I've got the air compressor lead, the hose into the bottom there. So as you can see, turn the light switch on, and she's all ridgy-dig in here. Get a hand in here. The gun goes like a trooper. So I just got to buy some garnet, and then we can get in and see how this works. So that'll do it. It's all leveled up. It's all installed. It's all sitting on its stand and everything like that. I'll dress that stand up with a few number plates or signs or something. But yeah, that's it. So that'll do it for this episode. Just a quick install. What tool do you reckon I should get next? Probably I was thinking an air compressor, a decent one. I've only got a little one and it's real noisy, and I'm pretty sure it's just about on its last legs. So yeah, maybe an air compressor, or maybe even a 4-post hoist. Not that I really need one at the moment, but yeah. Anyways, put it down in the comments what tools you reckon I should grab next. What a handy. Dogs are making a mess down there. Yeah, so comment what you reckon I should get, and then we'll go from there. But anyways, next I'll be pimping the Dodge engine that you can see there. All right, I got some parts for that coming, so we'll get into that. And yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you guys on the next episode.